Welcome, game creators. Today we're diving into the top 5 free graphic design tools tailored just for you. Before we explore these fantastic tools, let's quickly review the criteria we use to select them: ease of use, feature set, and of course, accessibility. First up is Canva. This user-friendly platform is perfect for creating stunning game graphics with its wide array of templates and design elements. Next, we have GIMP. This powerful alternative to Photoshop offers extensive image editing capabilities without the price tag, making it a go-to for many game developers. Now let's talk about Inkscape. This tool excels in vector graphics, which are crucial for creating scalable gaming assets that maintain quality at any size. Fourth on our list is Blender. This comprehensive 3D modeling tool allows you to design, animate, and render stunning 3D assets for your games, all for free. Finally, we have Krita. This tool is specifically designed for digital painting and is a favorite for illustrators, making it perfect for concept art in games. To sum it up, we've looked at Canva, GIMP, Inkscape, Blender, and Krita, each with unique features that cater to various aspects of game design. We encourage you to explore these tools and enhance your game design skills. Creativity knows no bounds when you have the right tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with these tools in the comments below.